Best deals.
1. Smoothie Maker. Blender bottle is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Now you can blend and enjoy your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, or fruit juices anywhere at home, the office, or during your commute. With the portable blender bottle, you can whip up a nutritious drink in seconds, giving you more time to spend with your loved ones or tackle that endless to-do list. Easily incorporate fruits, veggies, and other wholesome ingredients into your daily routine. Portable blender bottle helps you create delicious, nutrient-packed drinks to fuel your day and keep you feeling your best. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Wet Grinder. Has a shock-proof ABS body and detachable stainless steel drum, unbreakable and transparent lids made of polycarbonate material, has uniform grinding pressure and 4-way grinding system. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Juicer. Effortlessly crushes a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, from soft oranges to hard carrot and beetroot. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Grinder. Electric coffee grinder is wear-resistant, rust-resistant and of good mechanical properties, which is reliable and high quality for your daily and continuous use. The transparent grinding chamber cover allows you to see the grinding process clearly, and it can also prevent the surrounding dust from getting into the container. Equipped with one button, it is very easy and advantageous for you to operate and to start the grinding work. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ice Crusher, which is ideal for making slushies and frozen drinks. Easy to clean after each use, energy and time saving, produce perfect snow cone, suitable for your various gatherings. The arc-shaped back design is ergonomic, the solid base reduces vibration and noise. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pasta Making Machine. Try different types of pasta and noodles with 13 types of pasta dishes to add color to your dinner and make children love for eating. Imitate manual kneading, add appropriate amount of flour, and the machine will automatically mix the flour and water. After adding all the ingredients, it takes 10 minutes or less to mix the noodles and squeeze them out of the machine. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Oil Extraction Machine. Utilizes cutting-edge technology to extract oils from seeds and nuts with maximum efficiency. Witness a seamless process that retains the purity and flavor of the oils. From olive oil to sesame oil, this machine accommodates a wide range of seeds and nuts, allowing you to explore various flavor profiles and health benefits. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dough Maker. Has a powerful motor for efficient and thorough dough kneading, the 3-liter non-stick coated bowl which makes cleaning it a breeze. Double-laid design allows addition of ingredients during operation, the non-slip base for stability and secure usage. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, suitable for various dough types, including bread, pizza, pasta, and more. Equipped with premium quality all-metal gear planetary movement to provide optimal mixing results and longer life. Non-slip silicone feet keep the machine stationary during operation. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grinder. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety and not spilling mixture. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Blender. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in your backpack, gym bag, or car cup holder. With a powerful 4000 mAh battery, it can be fully charged in just 3 to 5 hours via Type-C charging. Enjoy the convenience of blending your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. Experience the freedom of portable blending. Juices is made of BPA-free, eco-friendly. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Coffee Grinder. Featuring 40 individual grind settings, you can go from fine to coarse for all the popular brew methods such as espresso, AeroPress, Hario V60, Chemex, French press, and automatic brewers. Its 40 mm hardened steel burrs produce the quality grind. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Blender. Designed for the modern on-the-go lifestyle, BlendLife portable blenders are your ideal travel companions. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with rechargeable batteries. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Grinder. The inclusion of a LED indicator and 3 power settings enhances user control and customization. The LED indicator provides a visual cue for the operating status, while the 3 power settings allow users to adjust the speed and power based on the task at hand, ensuring optimal results. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Stand mixer. Comes with a powerful 100% copper winding 1200W motor and multi-function capabilities to serve all your kitchen needs in a mixing bowl of 5.3L stainless steel bowl to ensure you are never short of space even for large requirements, with dust-proof splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Juicer. Comes with round chute for easy feeding of fruits and vegetables and drip-free stop spout giving hassle-free juicing experience, has rust-free blades for longer life and safe grinding, easy to lock and unlock jars. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Stand mixer. Comes with the digital touch panel with multifunctional presets to ensure the hook, beat and whisk function more ease. Stand mixer comes with 1300 watts 100% full copper motor, ensures powerful performance, durability, and consistent mixing results, equipped with Hall IC control 6 speeds with pulse function. Hall IC helps in precision control of motor RPM, thus ensuring consistent results and longer motor life. Mixer comes equipped with 4 world-class safety features: 1. Overload protection. Stops the machine if overheated, thus preventing accidents and damage to motor. 2. Safety lock. Stops the machine if the tilt heat is not locked securely or released during operation. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Juicer. With 2 speeds can perfectly juice fruits and vegetables like orange, celery, cucumber, apple, carrot, beets, ginger and more. Machine has a 7-segment spiral masticating system that can fully squeeze the fruits and vegetables and can perfectly separate the juice from the pulp. Juicer uses a low-speed motor and fine grinding to reduce oxidation and best retain the nutritional value of your fruits, veggies, and greens. Features 2 speeds to juice various fruits and veggies and a reverse function to reduce clogging and food residues in the machine. Juicer machine can be easily disassembled with its one-touch assembly design. Dishwasher safe parts. Product link is given in the 17th link. Thanks for watching.